Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today we have the trusty 1 Series still here in working condition, very important detail. But today we are going to do basically two things, a customization and a modification. And it's all behind the kidney grill. So I already removed this rubber band over here. And what are we going to do? Well, we are going to wrap the V-bars. Well, he is going to do that. That's wherever he is. That's why I'm not home. And we're also going to install right here an intake scoop on the car. So let me give you a little view. So the intake scoop it's like this, and that will catch more air. You bolt it in into the frame. For example, you bolt it in like this, and it will catch more air for the intake. Will it work? I don't know. Was it really that expensive? No. So yeah, we are going to do that. So we have to unbolt the bumper first, then remove the kidney grills, then he'll wrap the V-bars, basically like he done on his F30. So that we are gonna pick red. So yeah, that's gonna look nice. And yeah, like I said, I am curious how it will look and if we will find any difference with the scoop or not. Probably not, but yeah, let's go. Okay, so what you gotta do is remove this rubber band, and then you have 6 holes in here, you know, these screws. And you just remove them, and now you can basically pull on the bumper, which I'm gonna do off screen because it's not that handy with one hand and I don't want to lose these clips. And then we will try to unplug the kidney grills, and then basically we can have access to the V-bars and do our things. Okay, so we have removed one kidney grill. Now he's going to wrap it because this one just doesn't want to come loose and I don't want to break off any tabs. But he told me that access through one kidney grill is enough. So we're only going to remove one, and then afterwards we are going to, let me put down my beer, and then blah 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 blah. Afterwards we are going to install it like this. I'm gonna show you real quickly how it's gonna look. So basically it's going to look like this, and then you just put the screws through and boom, you got an air scoop. And it doesn't block that much of the radiator, so it doesn't really matter that much. So yeah, this grill just doesn't want to come and I don't want to break anything off. So yeah, have fun wrapping the V-bars, mate. Okay. So he's wrapping right now, very sexy. So yeah, this is what you can expect look-wise. It's going to be very nice. Can I pay you with sex?
No.
Oh shit. Yeah. So I'll skip when it's done, and then yeah. And we are done. So everything is mounted again. Everything went great. It's one of the first and only times that an installation went like it should. Nothing broke. Nothing happened. It just went good. I love that. Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, the V-bars now are in red, which I think looks way better. And then let me turn on the flash for this, because you probably won't see it that well. But we also got the intake scoop over here. But come on, focus on the scoop. I guess it won't focus, but yeah, the intake scoop is over there. That will catch more air for the air intake, for the turbo, and for the intercooler, and then for the engine to make love with the fuel and give me more power. Theoretically, will do much? I don't think so, but yeah, doesn't matter, it looks cool. Anyway guys, so that was it for the modification of today's video. So we actually did two things, but I have some bad news. And I have good news. The good news is I have an appointment for June. The bad news is he was very busy, and the appointment is 29th of March. this year. Lucky. But so we still have to wait 37 days. When this is uploaded, it will probably be, you know, a little bit less. But yeah, we still have to wait like a whole freaking month. So that sucks. That means I can't floor the car the whole time, which really does suck. But it does mean I get very good mileage though, because I have been driving this car now since I got her back for around 300 kilometers. And yeah, blah blah blah. Okay, so after the warning, my fuel consumption has never been that great. 7.7 liters, 100 kilometers. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. And also we don't have a check engine light. Even with I've running, you know, 400 kilometers without a cat, still no check engine light, and it's not mapped. So that's a great thing. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the video here. So yeah, for the you know, the big power gains and the dyno sheet, we'll have to have a little bit of patience. I know I promised you guys more power, but you have to think it like this. I promised you guys a stage 2 tune for December, but I got you guys a stage 3 tune for March. Is that a good compromise? And we're also gonna make a video on that car really soon, because that's a 330e with a custom exhaust, stage 2 tuned, running 380, 370 horsepower. So yeah, we're gonna do a video on that thing. That's gonna be a blast. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.